Get ready to explore a collection of extraordinary motorhomes that redefine what life on the road can be. In this video, we showcase 15 amazing motorhomes that look better than many traditional houses, featuring luxurious interiors, innovative layouts, and incredible attention to detail. These impressive homes on wheels combine comfort, technology, and style to create unforgettable travel experiences. From spacious living areas and premium designs to smart features and remarkable craftsmanship, each motorhome represents a new level of mobile luxury. Join us as we discover these stunning vehicles and see how they bring the comforts of home wherever the journey leads. Marathon Coach 1425 represents a perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and long-distance capability. Built on the dependable Prevost H345 chassis, this premium motorhome is designed to deliver exceptional comfort while maintaining commercial-grade durability. Its triple-slide floor plan creates a spacious interior featuring elegant furnishings, custom cabinetry, and high-quality finishes that give it a true residential feel. The stylish lounge, fully equipped galley, private bedroom, and modern bathroom provide everything needed for extended travel. Large panoramic windows brighten the cabin with natural light while showcasing breathtaking views along every journey. Advanced control systems and integrated technology simplify daily operation, making travel more convenient and enjoyable. Every detail has been carefully crafted to enhance both functionality and style, creating a refined atmosphere wherever the coach is parked. The Marathon Coach 1425 is a remarkable example of premium engineering, sophisticated design, and luxurious living for travelers seeking unforgettable adventures on the open road. (2027) Thor Outlaw 38K is built for travelers who enjoy exploring without leaving their adventure gear behind. Combining smart design with everyday comfort, this Class A motorhome offers a practical layout that supports both travel and recreation. A dedicated rear storage area provides space for motorcycles, bicycles, or other outdoor equipment, while the fold-down rear door can be used as an elevated outdoor deck for relaxing at campsites. Inside, the cabin features a bright living space, a functional kitchen, comfortable seating, and a thoughtfully arranged sleeping area that makes extended trips more enjoyable. Wide windows allow plenty of daylight inside while offering scenic views throughout the journey. Modern technology and efficient storage solutions help create a convenient travel experience for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With its balance of flexibility, comfort, and innovative features, the 2027 Thor Outlaw 38K is designed to support memorable road trips and exciting adventures wherever the highway leads. (2027) Newmar Grand Star 3940 combines modern design, premium comfort, and practical functionality in a spacious Super C motorhome built for extended travel. Constructed on a durable Freightliner S2 RV chassis with a powerful diesel engine, it delivers dependable performance for long journeys. 3 large slide-outs create an open interior featuring a welcoming lounge, elegant cabinetry, a well-appointed kitchen, and thoughtfully designed living spaces. The private rear bedroom offers a relaxing retreat, while the flexible mid-coach area can serve as additional sleeping space or a productive workspace. Smart technology and advanced connectivity help travelers stay informed and connected wherever the road leads. Outside, generous storage compartments, a smooth leveling system, and refined exterior styling enhance convenience at every destination. Every feature is carefully integrated to support comfort, efficiency, and everyday living. The 2027 Newmar Grand Star 3940 represents a modern approach to luxury travel, allowing every journey to feel comfortable, practical, and ready for new adventures ahead. Allegro RED 33AA is a diesel-powered Class A motorhome designed to combine everyday comfort with dependable performance for long-distance travel. Built on a sturdy rear-engine chassis, it offers a smooth driving experience while maintaining a practical size for a variety of destinations. Inside, multiple slide-outs create a spacious living environment with comfortable seating, stylish cabinetry, a fully equipped kitchen, and a private bedroom that provides a relaxing place to unwind. Thoughtful storage solutions and modern control systems make daily living more convenient, whether traveling for a weekend or an extended adventure. Large windows bring natural light into the cabin, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere throughout the interior. High-quality construction, efficient insulation, and carefully designed living spaces reflect attention to both comfort and durability. The Allegro RED 33AA delivers a balanced combination of functionality, modern design, and residential-style convenience, making every journey enjoyable from departure to destination with lasting confidence. Fleetwood Altitude 36 CS is a Super C motorhome created for travelers who want dependable capability without giving up modern comfort. Built on a durable four-wheel drive chassis, it is designed to handle a variety of road conditions while supporting extended adventures. Triple slide-outs expand the interior into a spacious living area featuring comfortable seating, a well-equipped kitchen, stylish cabinetry, and a private bedroom for relaxing after a day of travel. A modern bathroom and generous storage compartments add convenience, making it easy to stay organized on longer journeys. Large windows brighten the cabin with natural light and create an inviting atmosphere wherever the motorhome is parked. Advanced onboard systems help simplify everyday living, whether camping off the grid or staying at a full-service RV resort. The Fleetwood Altitude 36 CS combines practical design, reliable performance, and residential-style comfort, offering a travel experience that encourages exploration while providing a welcoming space to enjoy every destination. American Coach American Eagle is a luxury motorhome designed to deliver an exceptional blend of comfort, craftsmanship, and advanced engineering. Built on a premium chassis with a powerful diesel engine, it offers confident performance for long-distance travel while maintaining a smooth and refined driving experience. Inside, the spacious interior features elegant cabinetry, premium furnishings, quality countertops, and modern appliances that create a welcoming residential atmosphere. Expansive slide-outs provide additional living space, while large panoramic windows fill the cabin with natural light and scenic views. Intelligent control systems allow convenient management of lighting, climate, and other onboard features, enhancing everyday travel. Generous storage compartments and thoughtfully designed living areas make extended journeys more comfortable and organized. Every detail reflects careful attention to functionality and style, creating a sophisticated environment for life on the road. The American Coach American Eagle represents premium motorhome design, combining innovation, comfort, and luxury for unforgettable travel experiences everywhere. Coachmen Mirada 29 FW is a Class A motorhome that combines practical design with modern comfort in a compact and easy-to-drive package. Built on a dependable chassis with a powerful V8 engine, it is designed to deliver a smooth and confident travel experience. A full-wall slide expands the interior, creating a spacious living area with comfortable seating, a functional kitchen, and a private bedroom that offers a relaxing retreat after a day on the road. Smart storage solutions and efficient use of space make the cabin feel open while keeping everyday essentials within easy reach. Large windows allow natural light to brighten the interior and provide enjoyable views throughout every journey. Exterior features such as generous storage compartments, an automatic leveling system, and a power awning add convenience at every destination. The Coachmen Mirada 29 FW offers a balanced combination of comfort, functionality, and thoughtful design for memorable adventures on every trip. Holiday Rambler Nautica 34 RX brings together the strength of a Super C motorhome with the comfort of a luxury living space. Built for confident travel, it delivers reliable performance while providing a smooth and enjoyable experience on long journeys. Its spacious interior features stylish furnishings, elegant finishes, a practical kitchen, and a comfortable rear bedroom designed for relaxing after a day of adventure. Thoughtful layouts and modern technology create a convenient environment where travelers can enjoy the freedom of the road without giving up everyday comforts. Large windows provide beautiful views and fill the cabin with natural light, enhancing the welcoming atmosphere inside. With smart storage, advanced systems, and durable construction, the Nautica 34 RX is designed for extended trips and unforgettable destinations. This motorhome represents a perfect balance of capability, comfort, and refined design for those who want to explore in style. Nexus RV Maximus 32 MX combines heavy-duty performance with the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. Built on a powerful commercial-style chassis, this Super C motorhome is designed for travelers seeking confidence, durability, and convenience on long adventures. Its spacious interior features elegant finishes, quality cabinetry, a practical kitchen, comfortable seating, and a relaxing sleeping area that creates a welcoming atmosphere. Thoughtful storage solutions and modern amenities make extended trips easier and more enjoyable, while advanced systems support everyday living wherever the journey takes you. Large windows add brightness to the cabin and connect travelers with the beauty outside. With its strong construction and refined interior design, the Maximus 32 MX delivers a unique combination of rugged capability and residential comfort. It is built for those who want to explore farther, while enjoying the freedom and convenience of a premium motorhome experience. Renegade Super C is designed for travelers who want powerful performance combined with the comfort of a luxury home on the road. Built with heavy-duty engineering and reliable diesel power, this motorhome delivers confidence for long-distance journeys while providing a smooth and comfortable travel experience. Inside, the spacious cabin features premium finishes, elegant cabinetry, modern appliances, and thoughtfully designed living areas that create a welcoming atmosphere. Comfortable seating, smart storage solutions, advanced technology, and residential-style amenities make extended adventures more enjoyable. Large slide-outs help maximize interior space, giving travelers room to relax wherever they go. Whether exploring scenic highways, remote destinations, or cross-country routes, the Renegade Super C offers the freedom to travel without sacrificing everyday conveniences. Combining strength, innovation, and refined design, this remarkable motorhome shows how rugged capability and luxury living can exist together in one impressive package built for adventure. Dynamax Isata 3 shows that a compact motorhome can still deliver impressive comfort, style, and modern innovation. Built on a reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, this Class C coach offers efficient performance and a confident driving experience for everyday adventures. Its thoughtfully designed interior makes excellent use of space, featuring elegant finishes, practical storage, a comfortable living area, a functional kitchen, and a relaxing sleeping space. Advanced technology and smart control features add convenience, allowing travelers to enjoy a connected and comfortable lifestyle wherever they go. Solar capability, efficient systems, and versatile design make it suitable for both traditional campgrounds and remote destinations. With its combination of premium craftsmanship, easy maneuverability, and residential-inspired comfort, the Dynamax Isata 3 creates a unique travel experience. It proves that memorable journeys are not defined by size, but by the freedom and convenience a well-designed motorhome can provide. Liberty Coach is a remarkable example of premium motorhome design, created for travelers who expect exceptional comfort, style, and individuality. Built on a respected luxury coach platform, each model is crafted with unique details and high-quality materials that create a distinctive experience. The interior offers a sophisticated atmosphere with beautifully designed living spaces, elegant finishes, comfortable seating, and modern features that make every journey enjoyable. A spacious kitchen, relaxing sleeping area, stylish bathroom, and advanced technology systems provide the convenience of a luxury residence while on the move. Every element is carefully planned to deliver a smooth and enjoyable travel experience, whether crossing highways or relaxing at a scenic destination. Combining personalized craftsmanship, impressive engineering, and refined comfort, the Liberty Coach transforms travel into something extraordinary. It represents the freedom to explore the world while enjoying the feeling of a beautifully designed home wherever the road leads. Marathon Coach 1421 represents a new level of luxury travel, combining custom craftsmanship, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. Built on a proven Prevost chassis, this motorhome is designed with attention to detail and a focus on creating a refined living experience. Its spacious interior features elegant furnishings, premium materials, handcrafted cabinetry, and intelligent systems that enhance everyday convenience. The carefully planned layout provides comfortable areas for relaxation, entertainment, and extended stays while maintaining a sophisticated residential feel. Modern controls, stylish lighting, and outdoor features help create a seamless lifestyle both inside and outside the coach. Designed for travelers who appreciate quality and innovation, the Marathon Coach 1421 delivers a unique blend of performance and elegance. It transforms every journey into a first-class experience, allowing owners to enjoy the freedom of the road while surrounded by the comfort and beauty of a luxury home. Dethleffs Trend Active 6877 combines smart European design with comfort, efficiency, and practical features for modern travelers. Built on a reliable Fiat Ducato platform, this motorhome offers smooth performance while maintaining a compact size that is easy to handle on different roads. Its thoughtfully designed interior creates a welcoming atmosphere with a comfortable sleeping area, functional kitchen, spacious bathroom, and clever storage solutions. Modern lighting and quality finishes add a stylish touch, making the cabin feel like a comfortable home away from home. A generous rear storage area and durable construction provide extra convenience for longer adventures. Designed for exploring cities, countryside routes, and scenic destinations, the Trend Active 6877 delivers a balanced travel experience. It shows how intelligent use of space, practical innovation, and modern comfort can transform a compact motorhome into a reliable companion for unforgettable journeys wherever the road leads. Carado A132 is a compact motorhome designed to deliver comfort, practicality, and freedom for travelers who enjoy exploring with ease. Its smart layout makes excellent use of available space, providing comfortable sleeping areas, a functional kitchen, a convenient bathroom, and useful storage solutions. Built for simple and efficient travel, this motorhome offers a smooth driving experience while remaining easy to handle on different roads. The interior creates a welcoming environment with a bright atmosphere, practical features, and everything needed for enjoyable journeys. Its versatile design makes it suitable for couples, families, and those looking for a reliable travel companion. From weekend escapes to longer adventures, the Carado A132 provides the essentials of home while allowing travelers to discover new destinations. Combining intelligent design, everyday convenience, and dependable performance, it proves that a smaller motorhome can still deliver a rewarding and comfortable travel experience.